Hey there, welcome to the video. I'm glad you're here, but I'm 92% sure that this isn't going to go well. While all of this is going to be true and all of it's going to be well researched, this is not the type of video that YouTube likes, right? But I'm going to share it anyway because that's what we do on this channel. We talk about systems. So here we go. What if I told you about a system that seemed too good to be true? Spoiler alert, you're not going to like it. But what if I told you about a system that beats the market by hundreds of percentage points on a risk-adjusted basis, of course, but sometimes just flat out beats it? Okay, but that's not all. This system also completely and totally avoids every bear market from the 1990s. Never get caught up in a bear market like we are in 2023 as I make this video. March 2023, actually. Oh, this system also caught a 1,200% move on Tesla in recent times. Oh, this system caught a 649% move on CSCO. Now, what's CSCO? That stock isn't any good. Yeah, if you do your stock market research, you'll realize that CSCO is the greatest. It's the granddaddy of them all. Back in the 90s, this was the stock. Oh, and this system not only works recent times, but it goes back and makes 649% on the granddaddy. Oh, and also this system caught a recent 248% move up on Amazon. Already skeptical, right? Are you already typing an angry email/comment? Well, get ready to write 2 angry comments, because this very same system also can never be gamed. Now, let's talk about a race to the bottom real quick. If you're looking for the next big thing, the next quickest thing, the next AI, and let's say you find an AI robot, well, the race has begun, right? Because now your AI robot is going to be up against someone who has more money than you and their AI robot. And what if their AI robot is better than your AI robot, and then someone makes a better AI robot than both of yours, and on and on? Or look at high frequency traders. We make $1 million. We never have any losing trades. Well, when you have a high frequency computer that's 4.2 feet away from the server, then someone else goes 4.1 feet away from the server and beats you by a millisecond. And then they beat someone else by a millisecond, and so forth and so forth. When you're going for the next big thing, the cheapest price, the Wunderbar, Wunderkind, those are both German, the most wonderful, up-to-date, cutting-edge system in the world, if you're looking for bigger, stronger, faster, someone's always bigger, stronger, faster. And it just goes up or down into oblivion. This system will never, ever, ever be put into oblivion. Oh, there's more. It can't be over-optimized because I did no optimizing. It will always be robust. Well, you don't have to believe me, but this goes back to the 1990s and beyond. And it's been working just the same with no optimization. Can handle any size trade. There are so many great trading systems out there on YouTube and elsewhere. Man, the system is great, and you can't actually trade it with any sort of size. Or they say, well, it's great to have $500 in your account. You can double it, but a $1 billion account can't do it. Well, this system can handle either. Doesn't make any difference. What about meme stocks? Oh, this system can handle that too. 1,300% on GME, you'll see the chart, and 209% on AMC. Those are kind of meme stocks, aren't they? Right? Oh, well, do you have to research? Do you have to adjust? No, never have to read the news, ever. And you never have to worry about exits. You know the journey of becoming a superstar trader, a person who makes triple digits, who wins trading contests and so forth? Man, you got to study your entries. Study, study, study. Get your entry right. Is volume contracting? Is volume expanding? Is the range contracting? Are you buying on a breakout? Are you buying on a pullback? And work and work and study and study and study. But that's not even half of it. Once you get an entry and you time it properly, when do you get out? Do you get out at 8%, 10%, 20%? Do you get out across below the 8 MA, the 10 MA? What if you hit 3 ATRs from your current entry? What about 2 ATRs? What about 10 ATRs? What about this stock? What about that stock? It's maddening and difficult and rewarding, but it's also just a lot. Well, this system, you never have to do any of that. It's too good to be true, right? I told you. Why do I call it the incredible system? Again, I'm dreading this. I'm dreading even sharing it with you because you're going to hate it. But definition of incredible is difficult to believe, extraordinary, and right now you're not believing anything I'm saying, right? But keep in mind, there's nothing to sell you here. We're just talking, just sharing. It's not a sales pitch. I'm going to talk about some numbers. They are not from actual trades. Please do not risk any money you cannot afford to lose, and past performance does not indicate future results. Are you ready for the charts? Here's Tesla. Now, this is an automated system, could be traded manually, but it's automated. And look, there's an entry there in 2020. Remember 2020? And it did nothing until it made 1,200%. Oh, wait, how has it done in the bear market? No trades. It hasn't lost a penny in the bear market. Trading since 2011, $10,000 worth of stock. Hypothetical report, remember? Right? I told you that in the disclaimer. On a sample $10,000 account, it would have made $169,000. What's the drawdown? The close to close drawdown was $4,000. $169,000 up, $4,000 down. The profit factor is 22. Okay, I told you you're not going to believe it. Here is CSCO, 242%. Remember the greatest bull market? Not what we've had lately. The 1995 to 2000 run. I nominated it as the greatest, but there are some runs in the 70s and 80s that were freaking good. But I think the 90s, I think it's up there. Maybe number one. Oh, how did the system do? Well, it caught CSCO, and it didn't take any losing trades. Here's Amazon recently. Here's 2015. It got in and took a winner. Oh, our first losing trade. There's a loser. And then it caught 248%. I'm sorry. That's 248%. That's only 66%. That's terrible. That's garbage. Who wants to make 66% on a trade? It's foolish. But how about the bear market? None. No trades in the bear market. Okay. Here's GME. Now, how would I know to trade GME, right? It was a surprise when it came to 2021. But Michael Burry was talking about it back in here. Michael Burry said GME is a sleeping giant. Well, there were no trades using this system. You could have been watching it. You could have put a robot on your chart. You could have put alerts on your chart, because when it finally did fire right before 2021, you made 1,300%. Now, could have made a lot more. But with no work, no thought, and no emotion, it's 1,300%. How about AMC? Little winner back there, but that was before it was me malicious. Loss here. Same time, a little bit after. Remember, GME was here. AMC, you would have caught only 209%, which is terrible. I know, right? It's terrible. What about Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin futures, there's not enough data. So I can't show you a magical chart, an incredible chart. But following the rules of the system, you would have gotten in right about here in mid-2020, and you would have gotten out right about here. And I did the math for you. It would have been a 250% gain. Would not have taken these trades. This system obviously doesn't go short, but I guess it works on Bitcoin too. This one really blows my mind, but because no way. Well, how did I know to trade Tesla? How did I know to trade GMA? That voice is not very good. What about SPY? Anyone could trade SPY. It's the index. It's the S&P. I mean, look at this. I told you, you're not going to believe it. Winning trade, very small loser. Winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. How's the bear market of 2022? Did not participate. 0 losers. Bear market, 0 losers. Win, 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 win. Oh, but I'm not done though. There's more. Yes. But wait, there's more. Here's SPY. Here is the go-go 90s. Winner, winner. I'm not going to say chicken dinner. How about the worst bear market we've seen? Worse than 2008. It did not take a losing trade. Did not participate. Then, it's over? Another huge winner. What about 2008? That definitely, nope, didn't get us. Nope, didn't get us. Winner, winner, and winner coming out. Okay. What does that look like? Here's something interesting. Total net profit trading this simple robot was $27,000. Look at this. Close to close was $432 of loss. That is, if you do it on a risk-adjusted basis, meaning comparing the drawdown of buy and hold versus the drawdown of this, which is almost nothing, trading this system was 9 times better, according to the math, than buying and holding an index fund. 9 times. Here's what the curve looks like. I guess that's doable, right? It's from left to right, diagonally up. No, I can't do it. I can't. I'm not going to give you the details. What do you think? I mean, how many comments and emails have you written by now? But Scott, this is stupid. How many? I don't want to bring you things that you hate, but I mean, I can feel it. All right, I'll give it to you. Oh, man. I shouldn't put this video out. Here are the details. A monthly chart. First of all, no one uses a monthly chart, so you're already furious. Now, here's how you get in. After 2 consecutive closes above the 12-period SMA, so the 12-month simple moving average, 12 bars, length is 12. Got it? Simple. What moving average? Simple moving average. After 2 closes in a row, above the 12, you go long at the open of the next bar. Nothing else. After, well, how do I get out? After one close below the 12. I can't make it simpler than that. You exit the position at the open of the next bar. So you can, if you want to get into a trade, you better have your running shoes on because you have only 2 months to get to your computer. I think that's funny. I'm sure you don't think it's funny. Okay, what's a stop loss? None. Wait, you can't trade without a stop loss. Okay. What's a target? None. Wait, you can't. None. What about time? None. What about break even? None. No break even. What about a parabolic move? What about a blow off top? What about all the signs? What about high volume? What about none? Don't worry about any of that. Now, it's easy. It's easy. I love reading books that say, this is a blow off climax top. Now do it in real time. It's probably doable, right? But it's also, when you're in the middle of it, my stock is going way up. This is great. It doesn't feel like a blow off top when you're winning. I suppose the next day when it's big red bar down. So even if you could identify it, then fine, get out. But with this system, you don't even have to. You don't even have to get out. It'll get out for you, or it'll be so clear. You want another example? Oh, I didn't even mention Apple. Apple made, this trade is 180%. So I guess that's okay. All right. Kind of hard to see, but I wanted to show you the whole tapestry. Prices below, we have 1 close above the SMA, 2 closes above in a row, SMA, in at the open. 1 close below, exit at the open of the next. 2 consecutive up, take the trade. Oh, immediately reversed, and that's a loser. Loser. But 1 close above, 2 closes above, in at the open. That's not bad. 1 close below, out at the open of the next bar. How's it doing in the bear market? Didn't take a trade. It doesn't have to do anything. Bottom line, I've been researching systems for a long, long, long time. And I love to create complicated systems with all sorts of rules that show I've learned stuff and I'm super smart. I've only recently come across this. I haven't been hiding this anywhere. I've just been gradually moving up length and length and length, longer and longer systems. And as a joke, as a practical joke to myself, I started studying monthly systems. And lo and behold, here we are. This system, with no optimizing and all of that too good to be true stuff, would win trading contests. Trading contests, you make about 100 to 200%, you win a trading contest. Well, if you took 1 trade on Tesla and made 1,200%, you win trading contests with doing nothing, right? This is in a completely different universe in dollar cost averaging indexing, right? It's not even close. It's easy. It's maybe as easy or, well, I won't say easier, but it's close. It's as simple as indexing and makes 9 times the money on a risk adjusted basis. And like I said, getting in a trade, you have plenty of time. No need to rush. You can vacation and trade this and make all this money. By the way, no one will ever copy this system, right? I have to keep my system secret. What if someone copies it? Who is going to copy this? No one. No one is going to copy this. No institution, no hedge fund. Everybody wants now. AI, ChatGPT, now. AI, now, FOMO, now. No one's ever going to do this. No one can make a break. How do you game this system? Well, I know when he's getting in. I mean, it takes me 2 months to get in. How are you going to game my system? You're going to move my position all the way below the SMA? No. Furthermore, no one's interested, right? You're probably not even listening now because you're typing your angry comments. There's no race to the bottom. You don't have to worry about bigger, stronger, faster. You go the other way. You want to know what's truly revolutionary? Not bigger, stronger, faster. Going the other way. Lasting, universal, timeless, slow. That's the greatest new thing, not the new thing. I'm going to get hate mail for that too. Don't have to worry about the next big thing, right? So I gave you the information. Look at it for yourself. Put it on a chart. Optimize it if you want. I didn't, but optimize it if you want. I mean, what's stopping us from trading this? Well, because it's boring. Okay, it's boring. But let me offer you this. Trades are coming. We've been in a bear market. There are tons and tons of stocks below their moving average. What's going to happen when the bear market changes and the bulls come back and we get 2 closes above? Are you going to be there? We already have made a bunch of money beforehand. I hope so. But this will get you in, and it's almost zero amount of work for all of those hypothetical returns. I mean, Chris cannot even believe it, and neither can I. Okay, oops, that was too fast. This is my website. If you want to go, I keep track of strategies, trying to be as accurate as I can. We'll see if trend following works. I try to put that up on my site. You can also go to the performance page, and I have links to videos on YouTube that you can watch. And again, I track things to see if trend following ideas work. And this is the book. There's 2 trading systems in this, and it's a book about losing and how to overcome adversity. And it's one of my favorite trading stories of all time. That's the video. I hope you're not too angry. I hope you found some value. See you soon.